Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this video I'm gonna explain my CV and my cover letter in my work. So firstly I want to introduce myself. My name is Nauval and I'm 19 years old and date of birth is 6 July 2002. My cell phone and address in here, and national Indonesia, gender male, marital status is single, religion Muslim. My education details: in 2014 until 2017, State Junior High School in Muhammadiyah Tiga Baru, and 2017 until 2020, State Senior High School in Senapati, Sedati. And I'm also 2020 until finished Bachelor 1 Technical Engineering of University 17 August 1945 Surabaya. My job experience also in working in PT Citra Cakra Persada Honda and design 3D in PT Astra Group. And my personality: good attitude, kind, communicative, disciplined, honest, hard work, and responsible. This is the above information is true and provided here by me, all in good faith sincerely. Alright, so I'm in cover letter from Surabaya, December 22, 2021 to Maula Enterprises. So I'm gonna explain. Dear sir, I'm really impressed and interested to apply for Maula Enterprises position you inform. It is an honor to be part of 3D drawing staff. And may I introduce myself? And my name is Nauval, and 19 years old and single, an S1 degree of University 17 August 1945, majoring in technical engineering. And I'm fluent in English, both written and spoken, and have a good 3D drawing skill. And my experience during in PT Cakra Persada and PT Astra Group in 1 year per company, and rich in technical and 3D drawing operation. I enclose my CV, copy of certificate ijazah, and transcript, copy of KTP, and thank you for your attention and consideration. So that's my cover letter and my CV, all of it. Thank you.